Is your home or office showing signs of mold? Don't ignore it. Mold can cause serious health problems, damage to your property, and can even lead to costly repairs. But don't worry, we're here to help. At Sarasota Mold Remediation, we're the trusted experts in mold removal and testing right here in Sarasota, Florida. Our team is dedicated to protecting your home and business from mold-related damage. From the moment you contact us, we take your concerns seriously. Our certified mold inspectors will provide a free inspection to identify any potential mold issues before they become a major problem. Using advanced tools like air sampling and lift tests, we can pinpoint the exact cause of mold growth. Our mold protocol, including detailed reports and photos, outlines exactly how we'll handle the remediation process. Once we've assessed the situation, we get to work, safely removing the mold and addressing any sources of water damage that may be contributing to the problem. Our team is fully licensed and experienced in mold remediation. We follow all state laws to ensure that your mold problem is handled quickly and professionally, with no conflicts of interest. Mold can be dangerous, but with our help, you can breathe easy again. Whether you need testing, removal, or prevention, Sarasota Mold Remediation is your go-to solution. Call us today for a free inspection. Don't let mold take over your home. Call Sarasota Mold Remediation, where safety and professionalism come first. Call us now at 941-202-6004.